Hello and welcome to our 8-minute guide on how to clean your house efficiently. Whether you're tidying up your after a meal or a deep clean, these steps will help you maintain a spotless and hygienic kitchen. Let's get started. First, gather all your cleaning supplies. You need all-purpose cleaner, dish soap, sponge, and scrub brush, microfiber cloths or paper towels, broom, dustpan, and mop. Trash bags if you don't have one in your bin already. First, you have to declutter and dispose all the trash you find. Start by decluttering your kitchen counters. Put away any appliances, utensils, or food items that are out of place. Then empty the trash bin and replace the liner, which I didn't do because we already did that, but you could do that if you didn't already do that. This gives you a clean slate to work with. First, I go in by scrubbing the glass of my oven, but you can go in by first cleaning the stove, remove the burner grates, and then you have the removable parts. I think I already cleaned that, so I don't really show you. You soak them in hot soapy water while you wipe down the stovetop with all-purpose cleaner. Use a scrub brush, which you can see in the video. You can use that on your stovetop, but I already cleaned my stovetop. And scrub the stubborn stains and grease. Dry the removable parts and reassemble the stoves like you made it, because you're probably gonna use the stove tomorrow, so if you don't put it back, that sounds like a you problem. But I usually try my best to scrub the linings and everything so I get all the gunk out. But there's a self-clean thingy on the stove, but I still clean it afterwards because if it's dirty, don't mess with that. Plus, it cleans up with fire, so I don't really know how well that's gonna clean it. So yeah, you go in with your brush and your microfiber cloths. I have 3 of those, but yeah, we use the green one in here. So afterwards, you start to clean your floors. You sweep up any crumbs, debris with a broom, and you make sure everything is clean. Once the floor is clean, mop it with a mixture of water and floor cleaner. You can see I have a wet jet type of thing in the next scene, but it still cleans. It heats up the water and makes it go through all the grime and all the patches on the floor. You can see it goes through it. But first you have to clean up the floor. You make sure to sweep everywhere underneath the stove, underneath the counters. You have to clean everywhere because you don't know the mop. It heats up itself. I don't know what the name of the mop is. I think I'll check it for y'all. But it heats up.
Everything was a dream, I'm awake now. Your loving is like a prison, I don't wanna break out. Let me know your fears and I'll make it better. Remember the first time that we made
when
out.
you do that, it
Part of me is yours, I don't even want it back. Even if we never see each other again. Know
your
that.
tiles in the kitchen, or maybe
I hope that you remember every truth that I told. It's not even your looks, I'm in love with your soul. This love is like a drug, I take it, never gets old. It fills me and I grab on everything I could hold.
And then
Truth be told, maybe I was your guy, maybe you were the one. I know you wanted a daughter, me, I wanted a son. I guess we'll never know the
While the
outcome.
floors dry,
Because of you, I understand me better. Stay by my side, help me
this will give you more
survive. I know we
space to
had our
order
troubles in
again
the past,
if
but nothing
needed.
is perfect.
This is
I
the
just
time of
wanted
when
you to
having
know that you
dinner,
were
so
worth
you
it.
can do that. Most times, my dishwasher, it still has some of them with water, so I going in wiping them off sometimes, but sometimes you just let them air dry because that's better, I guess. Now wash any remaining dishes. They're pots, pans that couldn't fit in the dishwasher, and yeah, most of the time I put the plates in the dishwasher and you just wash the pots instead, whatever. And starting with the least greasy items glasses and utensils, you put them on the top, and moving on to plates, pans, if they're small pans. Once done, let them air dry or dry them with a clean towel, which I already stated because yeah.
So Father, forgive me for you know that I'm
Why would not be a lot of dishes, or I arrange them because we have this drawer for the spoons, we have plates for the plates. You know what I mean? While the dishes are like done being put in place, I like to make coffee and I is decaf, so it doesn't make sense. This will give you like a small break and something you enjoy as you finish up the kitchen. I like cleaning like my mug thing, like the thingy that the coffee thingy that you use to like make the coffee. Yeah, that thingy. I cleaned it up first because I haven't used it for a while. And I already wiped down the surfaces by this time. And you can see like I was wiping down the countertops and everything. Wipe down the cabinets and like light switches. Don't forget to wipe down the exterior of the appliances because that stuff, they have a lot of debris and gunk right there. And yeah, I don't think it was up to 8 minutes. I think it's like 7:58 thereabouts. So I'ma be yapping. Yeah, I just washed the mug thingy and I was like cleaning up the sink. You have to wash your sink, please. Please wash your sink because there's a lot of gunk in there. There's a lot of disgusting stuff. Please wash your sinks, guys. Wash your sinks. Wipe down all the surfaces. That's what we're supposed to do, guys. I already did that. And use a microfiber cloth to like clean the countertops, cabinets, handles, light switches. You know, kids can be used. Don't forget to wipe down the exterior of your appliances to leave everything looking polished and clean. Because you don't want your guests being like, "What the hell?" And no cussing in this videos, guys. I'm sorry. So yeah, that. And you clean that and everything. I use that to fill up the water so I can take it to the actual thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. This coffee machine. You probably know what I'm talking about. We have the 18 cup one. It's a lot of cups for coffee. Yeah. And then like I took some. Yeah, I just did some coffee. You see that? And then you have it. Spotless kitchen and just like. It was more time than 8 minutes, I swear to God. It was more time than 8 minutes, but to me, it was 8 minutes. So, remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your kitchen clean. That's why I clean it like every night. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning, guys. And please drink decaf. After coffee, I was struggling with opening that thingy because it was a struggle, guys. Opening things with one hand is a struggle. I couldn't like hold it down. Anything for y'all. Anything for y'all. I put it in the machine and it made me coffee. So, yeah, I did wipe down the coffee machine. That too. I like my coffee strong because it's decaf. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Bye.